here during a Tasty Classics event, and if you're wondering why I'm holding a walkie-talkie, I'm on kind of a Marshall kind of doozy, and as you can see, we've got some more interesting cars going in here. See, we've already got the 2 car parks full, so we're going to have a look at those in a minute. If you're wondering where I've been for a while, I've not long had my appendix removed. So continuing from where I was last saying, we have this Pontiac Transport SE. At first I thought the front lights looked like the old EJ or EK Civic, but completely wrong, and I've got a feeling I know someone's going to put that in their video, but you know, it's for laughs. Anyway, to the Maserati, this actually has the V8 variant in it. Just gonna have a little walk around that. So I'm still on duty, but I'm still filming some cars for YouTube. I got another one to go to after this as well. Got a Ford Cougar here next to a Proton as well. So we're going to have a look at the front end of this one. Well, both of them. So this is the Ford Cougar, and then this is the Proton, which is getting cleaned down by a toner. So this is the last time you've seen one of these Protons on the road. And it's in a lovely shade as well. Lovely shade of colour. Ford XR2, not sure if it's the 2i, but my mum used to have one of these in black, so it's nice to see another one in good condition on the road. This just reminds me when I was 4 years old all over again. And we also have a Pontiac Thunderbird here behind the fence, or Thunderbird LE. As you can see, it is a genuine Pontiac. Anyway, back to the Fiesta. We also have a Daimler here. So it's based off the old Jags. The old X, I think it's the X something. XKJ or something. So that'd be the Ford ST with the halo multicolored lights. Nice touch. It's got the Subaru and the Peugeot 206 style. Y4 here. So it's going to be a quick video because I'm still on the Marshall doozy at the moment. So I got asked to help out with this event, which I happily agreed to. But the Land Rover that was squeaking on the way here. Still a good off-road vehicle. Got the side exit here just behind the wheel. It's on the leaf suspension, so you can tell it's meant for like carrying heavy things. Got the Fiat here as well. I believe it's a Fiat Cinquecento or an Uno, one of them. So it only took him a couple of months to do this, apparently. The wheels are quite nice, quite clean. The E30 here. We got your Vauxhall Astra here. It's not just an Astra, it's a Vauxhall Astra Belmont, as it says. So it's not just your typical Astra. You got your TVR, got your Porsche. So that's the Jaguar I came in, and that Jaguar is supercharged. It's a XJR6, so it's the 6-cylinder supercharged engine. It's nothing like the normal XJR. This one's a very special one, and it's also a collector's car, apparently, from what I've did a bit of research on.
Hi, welcome.
And this is the owner of the Jag, funny enough.
For my sins.
Got a couple of MGs here today as well. We also got a Lupo over there. We got a Volkswagen here as well. Another classic Jag over there. We've got the old Fiat there too. This is the Golf. Apparently it's a Golf driver. Alas, the driver part is its own thing. We've got a Capri 2.8 litre injection. Got a Spitfire Mark IV as well. I think it's a Mark IV. Got an Astra CSI. We got a Volkswagen GTD over there. Clio Sport RS172. We also have the 5-door Aston as well. Got the Chameleon Painter MG over there as well. Got another Renault, but Sparco. I think, is it a 2-point? Is it a 2-point or a single point harness? It's a 2-point harness with Sparco seats too. So this is like a Chameleon colour flip MG over here as well. Ignore the walkie-talkie in my hand. So you also got another Escort RS over there. Again, we got another Jaguar over there. So this one actually got pushed into the event. This is a Metro City X. This is, and that's the owner. So it's quite an interesting car, this one. Bush here as well. Might have had a little accident there because that piece is not like the other piece of plastic is missing. Again, we got your MGs, BMWs, Minis, Vauxhalls, again Jaguars. I believe this is a Clio Williams. I'm not 100% sure. Let me know if it is or not. Got the Opel over here as well, and a Rover Metro. This is quite nice, this Opel. In typical British fashion, it is starting to rain. I believe they built these Renaults to go off-road originally. These specific ones. So we got a Rover here as well, and my favourite one is this old classic Ford. I think it's an F250, I'm not too sure. Got a Peugeot over here as well. We've got a very unique car here that is quite interesting. It's a bit rusty, but that just adds character to it. So I think it came here on a trailer because yeah, I don't think it'll be road legal if it came here as it is. I think that's why the trailer's out front.
Do you pay for it and keep your memories, or just
don't know if you can see the interior. Quite unique. If you want to know the name of this car, then it's a Panhard. And a very rusty Panhard. We got the Land Rover there too, and we got the Porsche way down the bottom there. W here, and it appears it might be on the YouTube video because yes, you gotta wait for episode 5. Got a Spitfire here as well. Bit of green on the chrome, so some might have oversprayed a bit there. Got the Ford and the Porsche over here as well. So got the Capri. from Austin Powers, if you know that person. Or actor. Rover 100, it's an Ascot SC, sorry. And this is the Opal. Not sure if it's a Cadet. No, it's a Montana, Opal Montana. Mirror, a little Suzuki Super Carry. These things are nice. Yeah, that wasn't a Williams, it was an Oasis. It's a Clio Oasis. Here we've got a GTM. I don't know if this is a kit car or a genuine. The Pontiac Thunderbird here again. I want to say it's the only one on the road currently. Not sure how many is in the UK, but it's the only one on the road. And it's a soft top. It's a Pontiac. So this is the first for me, and that Pontiac station wagon over there, as the Americans call it. The Transport SC, that's the first for me and all. It's got two Pontiacs next to each other. I think both are from the 90s era, I think. Not 100%. But still. Both the first and both unique to me. So that's what I love about old cars, the uniqueness of them all. We've got a Daihatsu Copen over here as well. Now, I'm starting to see more and more Daihatsu Copens. But this one's actually quite nice. You got the, I think it's a matte red. The wing mirrors, you got matte red rims, matte red stripe. You got the red and black interior too.
That's not too bad, is it?
It's a bit of a modern mixing with some classics. Yeah, again you got the Metro City X over there. And the Jaguar over here with the Escort. Here's a car you don't see every day on the road. I believe it's a Morgan Aero next to the BMW. You don't see many Morgan Aeros, or I think it's an Aero 8. Yeah, number plate 7.
Yeah. Still alive.
Try and get a good. So, fun fact about the hood, they open sideways like that. Cheers. You ever wondered what the interior is like? Here you go. Very nice red leather. Thanks for that. So the Volvo 740 GL over here as well, if you're into your Volvos. Again, with the Morgan, it's not every day you see one of these on the road, so that's quite a treat for me. Again, the show ain't complete with an MX-5. We also have a Cadillac, a GLS, as well from 2003. Not many left on the road apparently. Now, this is another car you don't see every day. Ford Puma. Now, I like these. I don't know what it is about them, but I like them. So you got 16 valves, E-Tech engine with variable cam timing. So again, I don't know what it is about these, but I like these. Got the Merc here as well. little revolutions from America as well. It's good. It's the AMG variant.
When Peugeot sold off the entire store, all the back catalogue, they bought it all and stuck it in the warehouse.
CLK 280, got the Capri 2 litre. You got the Tabalt Alpine here as well. The owner's giving a little history lesson on the car, so we'll check this out later and probably get a photo of it. I believe that's an Evo 8 or an Evo 10. Over there. Got a Vauxhall Lotus Carlton. Oh, it's a Lotus Carlton because the wheels. It's got mirrors there to show the underneath of the Ford. So it appears he's got a new exhaust system looking through the mirrors there. And probably a respray. This is the 2 litre turbo Ford Capri. Apparently. So it says 2 litre turbo on the side. The VXR as well. The Nissan 350. Volkswagen over here as well. The Vauxhall. So believe it or not, it's only just been resprayed. I thought it was like a full restoration because of how clean it was. It's actually quite nice. I might have time to go to the Wrexham Motor Fest today as well, so we might see some cars from there. It's got a 2CV here in a nice white colour. And this one ain't rusty like the other one, but still, I think rust adds a bit of character on some. But there's minimum. Very clean for a 2CV considering the age. But the suspension setup on these were actually quite ahead of its time when they first came out. Unless I'm thinking of the DS3, which I probably am. But yeah. The Renault, I think the Renault 4 or 5 Export was based on the chassis of a 2CV as well. It's got the Volkswagen here too. Some tasty classics merch here. And the owners. Got the Lupo GTI, dual central exhaust. Got a C4, you got another, I believe it's a Golf. Yeah, Golf GTD. So.
6-speed, but my gearing's that much longer than a 6-speed gearbox. It really, really is like.
We'll make our way back up to the Tabalt up here. You also have the, I think it's a Scirocco.
And you haven't got all that bracket.
Old Scirocco.
No. And the gearing is...
Very clean
well,
engine bay.
I went against a 6-speed one, and I left him on the top end black.
GT2?
Rev in 6.
Yeah.
The Scirocco, yes. Scirocco, I was correct.
Yeah.
Scirocco GT2. Yeah, this is a factory colour. I thought it was actually painted, but it actually goes nice with the black. It's a 2 litre, I think. It's 20 valve. Yeah, there you go, Lotus Carlton. Vauxhall Lotus Carlton. Yeah, this is the Tabalt over here.
It was RRH was the last 3 prefixes on the index, and it was infamous for these ram raids. Didn't he change the some sort of speed limit laws because of a Lotus Carlton, I think, as well? Yeah, because they from factory they did 157. Yeah. Which is why the coppers were running around in SD1s. They couldn't count.
Water here as well. Got the Mini and the Escort there. We actually have a Volkswagen Carmen Gaia here, so this is the second one I've seen. This one does not have Porsche wheels on it this time, so I think. So that's actually quite clean, that. The MG over there as well. And further down, some more. Got the 190E 2 litre over there as well, and we got a Triumph over there. So this is a Triumph Vitesse. It's a cabriolet. Chrome's in good condition. The old Range Rover here. It looks like, well, similar to the 1971 style. But not 100% sure if it is a 71 or maybe a newer-ish generation. Again, we've got a Ford Cougar there. It's a V6. It's a 5-speed manual. So I thought I'd. I think that's all the cars here. If so, then I'll end it on this Puma here on this Proton. So. Mark Wheel at Wrexham Motor Fest now. I travelled from a recent car meet now. I got here with an hour to spare, and I've actually come across another one of my dream cars, which is absolutely amazing. So yeah, if you know me, my dream car is a Mustang, specifically the fastback variant or these variants. Anyway, I love my classics. So this one's actually an auto this time, but there's the interior if you guys can see. Most of the cars already left because I got here literally an hour before it finishes, because I was doing some marshal work for a friend, which I'm more than happy to help out with. So we're gonna have a look at what's left of this one. So we've got two MGs here, well, three. The MG TFs, TF1500. Got the Miata. You have a Triumph Stag. GT6 Mark III. I'm not sure if it's a Spitfire or not, but we will go around and have a look. Just says GT6 Mark III, so quite nice, but that Mustang's my favourite one. We've got the Ford Escort over there as well. You got this MG or Triumph over there leaving. All of these. What do you think? Should I give these guys a call, see if they can fix my rally car? Also, this is a E36 Evo apparently. So if you're into E36s, there you go, it's in good nick as well. like a E30s here as well. Again, I think I missed all the other good cars as well, so I was at another meet. You recognise this BMW from the last video I did last year. So I think what I'm going to do is maybe add this on to the other event I went to, maybe add this part at the end. Wondering how I got here. As in the Jaguar XJR6, which is supercharged, and it's known as a collector's car. So thank you to James for giving me a lift. Also, we got this 6.4 litre Ford Thunderbird. You might recognise this from my Burst and Wheels event that I did back on June 21st. Red leather interior. Don't know if you can see because there's reflection, but Thunderbird. It's got enough space in there to become a family-sized swimming pool. But yeah, here's the back. Now I'm going to see if I can get a photo in this, if I can. Now I've just realised it says a Ford Thunderbird. It says a Ford Thunderbird. But if we look at the steering wheel, it almost looked like a Camaro bench for a second. But no, it's just the eagle just imprinted. That threw me off for a second there, but look at the interior. Very clean. So way down there we got a Chameleon Wrap R35 GTR. We are now in the Ford Thunderbird from 1966. It's got a 6.4 litre in it. It's 315 brake horsepower. So if you're into your older classic cars, then I'll be quiet and you can enjoy all the retro buttons and dials and all the other quirks. Surprisingly, these are comfy, and that's a disc brake on it, and it's got electric windows. Now, I bet driving one of these on UK roads are, it feels like the UK roads will be like a bit too short, but this is amazing. It's a Thunderbird. They're actually quite comfy considering the year and what it's made from. It's like bits of leather, a bit of foam, and a bit of metal, but still it's pretty nice. Someone's got their little doggo out as well. Very nice. Oh, yeah, again, I missed all the cars that would be lined up there, but we've got the Mustang over there, we've got the Thunderbird here, we got the track car E30 over there. So yeah, and again you got that little light dial there as well, and instead of the ignition being here on a normal car, it's down there, so that's something. You got your armrest here and all. It's cool. So I'm gonna end it here. So that was Tasty Classics and what was left of Wrexham Motor Fest. And like I said, I got here with an hour left of the event finishing, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed. We'll let this warm up and we can hear it rev. There we go. It's amazing the way way this sounds. Absolutely amazing. Love the car.
Go left, by the Red Lion.